Sustainability defines of the present, shaping up the present in a way that it is good for the future generations. Now, I may dare as a researcher to put in another word into it, another phrase into it. If we look at it, that sustainability is a function of learning from the heritage past and correcting our present so that we leave a sustainable future. Context of disasters, climate issues, these are an issue of the past. It is not issue of the present. So that prompts me to bring in the heritage past. And we as a planet, we have learned to survive through these ravages over millions of years earlier. So that is one element of the sustainability definition, which I may like to highlight. What about sustainable infrastructure? The infrastructure this planet has grown too much in points. There are mega cities, there are super mega cities, but the major part of the world is still sort of rural, agrarian. So a future infrastructure should balance this out. So can we think of a distributed development in terms of infrastructure? That could be done if we see the infrastructure going beyond the boundaries of sovereign countries. I am mindful that United Nations was created to build integrity amongst the nations. With the nature and the environment coming in, can we think of United Nations being called as a United Nature Nations? A nature nation is what? A nature nation is more than a nation connected to its neighbors through water, energy and waste interrelatedness. Because these are transboundary issues. These are issues which will take into account when a disaster strikes, as it is the countries come together. So if we can preempt that before the disaster strikes, there is cooperation economically, regionally and globally, so that the local level is connected very nicely to the global level. That is a vision I cherish.